Welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me the Volvo XC60 T5 Inscription version. This comes with a 2-liter petrol engine, 250 horsepower, 350 Newton meter, with an automatic gearbox with 8-speed, and it has the Polestar Performance Pack. That's why I want to test drive it today, and I will give you my impression about how is to drive this XC60, and also with this Polestar Performance package. That will be really interesting in this video. If you want to find out, stay with me, guys. If you are on the market for an SUV, high class business SUV, Volvo XC60 is for you here. Anyway, if you're new on my channel, just click the subscribe button to see the latest notification, the latest video that come on the market. You will see it right there on your phone, on your mobile phone or your computer. So just click the subscribe button to see all the notification. Until then, guys, first of all, I want to give you some technical details, price and stuff like that, and then we will start driving it. And as we go, I will give you more information about this great car. By the way, if you want to see the full review, interior, exterior, all the information about this car, I have another video on my channel. Just check it out there. You will see it. It's amazing. Then you have all the infos right there. In this video, it's all about driving, so that's why you will not see so many infos from the interior. But guys, here it is. As I said before, we have the 2-liter petrol engine, is the T5 Inscription. All-wheel drive is the all-wheel drive version, 250 horsepower, 350 Newton meters, automatic gearbox with 8-speed, also 169 CO2. The color, all the infos, you have it here. Also, let me show you something. If I go down here, you can see the Polestar Performance package will be right here, 1,500 francs, because we are in Switzerland, guys. You can check the price out also on the website at barhag.ch. Also, you will find it right here, the address, and also better you go on the internet and check out the price, because you have a great discount. They have an amazing discount, and to be honest, the basis price of this car is 69,000, around there. And then the actually price with all those options that you see it right here, with performance package from Polestar, with winter package, luxury seats, then you have the 360 degrees camera. I don't know if you can see it right now. Yes. Then you have premium metallic color, also the sports steering wheel and all that stuff. You can see the price there. Then the total price will be around 83,000 francs 500, and they make a huge discount, and the final price will be 65,795. I will add also the price in dollars so you can make an idea. But I think this is a great price for this SUV. Plenty of high quality, even the seats are phenomenal. You have the glass roof as an option. You have plenty of phenomenal high quality in this car. Those seats are just gorgeous. You have wood insertion in the dashboard, soft material everywhere. It looks really impressive, this car in the interior. But if you want to see the interior, check out the other videos on my channel. So because in this video it's all about driving. Also, we have Harman Kardon speakers, huge, perfect quality on the doors, plenty of storage space in the trunk, but I'm not going to go right now into detail. Right now I want to show you the car a little bit to the exterior. The car comes with those winter tires right here. You can see Continental winter tires, and they are 18-inch rims because they change it for the winter, but they look really good. And the fact that you have a lot of gum, it's great for the comfort. We will see in this video how it's handling over the bumps, and what is the comfort, how much vibration and how much noise we have inside. Also, it comes with a full LED lights in the front. Beautiful front of the car. I always love those Volvo front of the cars. It's just phenomenal. The hood, the grille, the bumper, the bonnet look just phenomenal. And also the lines of the car, the combination of chrome with white, it looks so good. Really a proper beautiful car. And even in the back here, you can see the bumper look pretty interesting. LED lights also in the back, as you can see right there. Overall, the car look pretty nice. Pretty nice. but in special I like the front part of the car. The front is just phenomenal. Also the mirrors, look at the mirrors with the white here. Interior looks so nice. You have blind spot technology, you have all that new tech that come on the cars. So anyway guys, enough with the talking, all about the review. Check out the other video. In this video it's all about driving, so I guess let's driving, guys. Alright guys, let's drive the car. Here's the key, by the way. I think you already know it. It's a nice super light key. Also you have keyless entrance and all that features, electronic folding mirrors. All you have to do, you can leave the key without any problem right here, because the car, you can start it very simple by turning off this start engine button. So you have keyless entrance, keyless start the engine, press the brake, turn it on like that. It's super simple. I like very much this start engine button. It's so nice. You just have to flip it like that. The driving modes here, you have the driving modes, different driving modes: eco mode, comfort mode. You have Polestar engineering, that it's like the same as you have it on the other cars, the sport mode and off-road mode. We will drive first time in eco mode. I will try to explain you the Polestar engineering as we go. You have electronic handbrake, auto hold right here, and you have this stick to change the gears, actually to put it in reverse, in park, in neutral. Now you go in reverse, you can see everything what's happened around here. Now guys, for example, if you go in reverse, you can see the car can map up the ground and you can see everything what it's around there is just impressive. I mean, I love the way it looks. Let's go in drive, put it in drive, and let's drive the car. Also it comes with a head-up display. You can see directly on the head-up display right there all the information. Look, just perfect. I mean, the head-up display, it's one of the best on the market. First of all, I want to try, yes, right now you can see even on the head-up display it's show you the direction from the navigation system, and look how cool it is. Wow, the turning circle, the circus radius, it's really good. Even if it's a huge SUV, you have a great turn radius, so it's really impressive. And I like also the head-up display, the way it looks right there. It looks fabulous, really beautiful. Great visibility right there in the front. My first impression in eco mode, it's that the car, it's very silent. The steering wheel, it's very smooth. Also over the bumps, here are some bumps, it's doing a great job. The comfort, it's super good, really comfortable. We have also the auto hold button right here. Press the brake and the car will hold for you. You don't have to hold all the time the foot on the brake, so that's a great feature. Also you have start stop engine button. You can see even how nice it's map up the ground right here, how good is the quality of this 360 degrees camera. It's impressively good quality. Impressively good quality, high quality.
You will reach your destination in 100 meters.
Yes, over the bumps, it's so light, so nice. Right now when you reach your destination, the navigation will disappear from the head-up display and it will stay on the head-up display only the speed limit and the traffic signs. The car can read the traffic signs and traffic speed limit. It has a camera up here. Impressive, very good quality, very good visibility around the windows. To be honest, I have a great visibility in the mirrors, great visibility around the windows, even on the multimedia system here, because the screen, it's a little bit tilted to me. I have a great visibility right here. Also the gearbox, this 8-speed gearbox, it's working perfectly. I mean, you don't even feel when it's changed the gear right here on the turning circle, and it's doing such a good job in the curves. Wow, it's so responsive, so agile, even if it's a big car. It's super agile. The gear shifter, it's perfectly, you can change also the driving mode. You can go in comfort mode. Right now let's go in comfort mode to see the difference. I think that the steering wheel is the same as in the eco mode, maybe over the bumps. Let's see right now when it takes some bumps here. Yes, it's very similar with eco mode. You cannot feel any difference. Maybe, yes, a little bit acceleration, it's more aggressive. I can feel when I press the acceleration, I can immediately feel it give you more power. It's much more interesting. But also the steering wheel has a great grip. It's a perfect size for the steering wheel. It's easy to control. It's very silent. You cannot hear so much noise from outside. That's something that I like very much. So noise, it's impressive. They did a great job with the noise insulation. Really great job. Also, if you go right now, we go in Polestar Engineering. The Polestar Engineering, it's something like a sport mode. On other cars, it's something like the car will give you the best performance, the best acceleration, the best changing gears ratio. So in order to give you the best sporty, also you will get more Newton meters and more horsepower from this mode. It's a really great driving mode. And let's turn around here. Actually, I want to turn around because I know in this area, if we go in this area, you can hear right now the gear will hold in the higher RPM, so it will change the gear a little bit later. So the answer to this Polestar Engineering performance package is that it will give you better performance, a sportier feeling while you're driving. And the steering wheel actually is the same smooth and nice. You cannot feel so much of a difference on the steering wheel, but in terms of acceleration, I can already feel it. It's so nice. It feels really aggressive. And also the changing, the gearbox is changed different. Also, you can get, if you have already this model, you can ask at Volvo if you can update your car, and you can get this package, because I think most of the car can get this update. Also, the suspension feel really similar with the other driving modes. Yes. And let me change it one more time. Let's go in comfort. Ah, yeah, now I feel it. Okay, in Polestar Engineering you get a little bit stiffer. The steering wheel, it's much more stiffer, and wow, the acceleration, it's really more aggressively, and the steering wheel, it's a little bit stiffer. But not sure if the suspension are different. They feel quite similar. Wow, but it's fun. It's fun to drive. It's fun. I like it. I like the way it feels. Wow, and the way it's changed the gears, it's so smooth, so nice. Impressive. Love it. Great job. Now it's nobody behind me. Let's try to accelerate from 20. Wow. It's great. It sounds great. Feel great. Impressive. Wow, from an SUV to get this kind of RPM and acceleration. Wow. 250 horsepower, it's more than enough, trust me, and 350 Newton meters. It's impressive. Also, I like how good it stays on those curves. I don't know how they do this, but it's so agile, so nice for an SUV. It's impressively nice. Love it, gorgeous. It's so silent. Also, you can activate this cruise control from here and set it up, and then the car will hold even the steering wheel for you. Actually, I recommend you to have your hands here, but it's great on the highway. It's really helpful. And look at this, even on the curves, it's take the curves for you. Anyway, I have to take the control now. Anyway, impressive. I like it. Yeah, Volvo business car, premium car, great job. You can hear right now the engine RPM, it's going higher to give you the best performance. So great job. Wow, love it. Let's go in eco mode again. Impressive. Yeah, what can I say? I love the way the mechanics work in this car. It's a proper car. Love it. Amazing quality, gorgeous car. Totally recommend it. Don't even need to drive more than I drive until now. It's just gorgeous. Great visibility on the mirrors. Very silent inside. Great over the bumps. Very responsive and very agile for an SUV. Yeah, I like it very much. This is the true, guys. I really like this car. I really like the way they did it. It's impressive. Also, if you wanna park the car, for example, let me show you. If you want to park the car, for example, check this out, guys. How nice it map up the ground there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is impressive how nice, how good, how easy you can park this car. It's phenomenal. Love it. And then close the engine just like that. Electronic handbrake. Perfect. Okay, that was the test drive, guys, with the Volvo XC60 T5 Inscription all-wheel drive with this Polestar performance package. I hope you get some useful information from this video. If you are on the market for an SUV with a petrol engine, wow, this will be one of the best option in my opinion. It's incredible the way it's drive, the safety in a Volvo, the technology, the performance, it's impressive, and also the quality materials. It's a great car, guys. I don't know, I hope you like it. If you enjoy it, please give me a like, share, that will mean a lot for me. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the full review and all other new cars that come on the market. Thank you very much to all of you that watching my video, really appreciate that. If you like the music in the video, you have the link in the description there. Yeah, thank you guys, stay safe, and see you soon in the next one. Bye guys.